breadfruits. So it doesn't need much of a thing. Some people cook it like that and add a little salt and you are good to go. Here is potarsh, here is knorr, and here is tree pepper, bitter leaf, then mackerel. I'm just going to do a kind of a porridge of it because I don't want to eat it white. I want to do it a kind of porridge. I'm still going to use red oil. So let's get started. UKWA has been cooking for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I noticed that it has softened. Then I added all the protein I needed. So we are coming to an end of the whole thing, as you can see. Now is the perfect time to add red oil. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, love and share. It's time to add the bitter leaf. This is fresh bitter leaf from my farm. I'll just stir it a bit and leave it for like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Yes, I'm done. This is how it looks like. So you can actually pour the water on top. Depends on you. It's so yummy. Try it.